Welcome to this explainer. You know that creeping dread of a sudden traffic spike threatening to completely crash your application? Or maybe you've looked at your cloud bill recently and realized you're paying an absolute fortune for servers that just sit there, completely idle all weekend. Well, today, we're going to dive straight into those exact headaches of traditional IT infrastructure. But more importantly, we're going to explore how modern cloud architecture completely solves them. So get ready to totally rethink how you handle your data.
Okay, here's our game plan for today. We'll start with enter the serverless database, move into the big benefits, check out some real-world use cases, and finally, look under the hood.
I want you to imagine a world where your infrastructure just adapts on the fly. What if your database could essentially think for itself? Imagine a sudden viral traffic spike that doesn't crash your app, but instead, your system just quietly and effortlessly handles it. And on the flip side, imagine not being stuck overpaying for these heavy enterprise-grade servers on a quiet Sunday afternoon when literally no one is logging in. It's a fundamental shift in architecture, and you know what? It's something we can build today.
Section 1. Enter the serverless database.
So a serverless database is exactly what it sounds like, but kind of with a twist. It's database technology where the underlying servers and all that complex IT infrastructure are fully managed for you by a third-party cloud provider. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is that it takes the infrastructure burden entirely off your team. You aren't racking servers anymore. You're not manually patching operating systems. The cloud provider handles the availability, the fault tolerance, and the reliability. This means you can finally stop worrying about the plumbing and just focus on what actually matters, your data collection and analysis.
The contrast here is just staggering. With traditional databases, they're self-managed, they require tedious manual maintenance, and they force you to pay for maximum capacity, just in case you need it. You're constantly trying to play fortune teller, predicting the future to make sure server configs are updated before demand hits. But serverless databases? They are fully managed, they offer snappy, instant elastic scaling, and you only pay for your actual usage. It's a massive paradigm shift from guessing your capacity to simply reacting instantly to reality.
Section 2. The big benefits. The primary advantages really boil down to these 4 pillars. First up, instant scalability. You can accommodate huge transaction volumes instantly, which guarantees reliable performance no matter what the traffic looks like. Second, high reliability and fault tolerance. Providers use things like read replicas, availability zones, and self-healing distributed data strategies to bulletproof your data against loss. Third, automated ease of management. It completely removes manual resource management. That lets you divert your database team right back into actual business development. And fourth, pay-as-you-go pricing, which aligns your costs perfectly with your actual consumption.
Now, perhaps the most interesting number in all of this is 0. That is literally exactly how much you pay for computation when your database automatically shuts down because it's not in use. This highly flexible approach is a total game changer. It provides the absolute best cost value for businesses simply because it inherently supports variable consumption.
To really cement this concept, think of it like your home's water utility. You don't build, manage, or maintain the town's water reservoir, right? You just turn the tap on when you want a glass of water, and you only pay for the water that actually flows out. Serverless databases work the exact same way. That granular scalability ensures you only ever pay for the capacity you actually consume exactly when the tap is on.
Section 3. Real-world use cases.
This technology is incredibly dynamic across completely different scenarios. Take a viral social media event, for example. A serverless database scales granularly to handle massive, unpredictable traffic surges without dropping responsiveness. Or look at enterprise fleet management. For companies running thousands of apps, the database automatically adjusts availability and performance based on individual app demand, which removes some incredibly complex management headaches. For SaaS vendors, it lets them provision database clusters for every single customer, and if a customer goes idle, that specific cluster shuts down, slashing resource consumption. Finally, for scaled-out databases, it seamlessly adjusts capacity across split instances to match high read or write demands.
When you think about the practical day-to-day reality of this setup, remember that software development and QA teams generally do not need access to development databases during nights or over the weekends. Under a traditional model, paying around the clock for a database that only sees activity for a few minutes a day, well, actually scratch that, it's not just an expense, it's a massive unnecessary drain on your budget. With a serverless architecture, that database automatically shuts down the minute the team logs off on Friday. It entirely eliminates all that wasted spend.
Section 4. Under the hood. Believe it or not, setting up a serverless database takes only minutes, which is pretty incredible in itself. But behind the scenes, the cloud service provider is running robust serverless functions to ensure your data is totally locked down and pristine.
We're talking strict security access controls, network isolation, and resource-level permissions. Plus, it features advanced auditing, top-tier encryption, and even synchronization with offline data access. All those vital database functions are fully supported, updated, and backed up, all without you ever having to initiate a single maintenance window.
Let's walk through how this on-demand configuration process actually functions in real time. Step 1, your application experiences a massive workload spike. Step 2, without you lifting a finger, the database automatically scales both its I/O and its volume based on those new computational needs. Step 3, the event ends and traffic drops back down. And Step 4, the database instantly scales down or completely shuts down to save you costs. It's a rapid, fully automated cycle that gives you all the access you need without ever managing a single individual instance. Furthermore, the underlying mechanics offer some incredible flexibility for how you route your traffic. You can actually configure custom database endpoints to route workloads to specific configured instances while isolating others, which effectively distributes and load balances your workload. On top of that, you can use low-latency read replicas to support high-volume read requests. And what's really amazing is that these replicas share the exact same database storage pool. That minimizes lag time and pushes your costs down even further.